Okay, I just finished making my maha blanca and now I'm making a kare-kare. Here's my meat. It's already softened already, and onion and ginger. And now here is my heart of banana sa puso ng saging, eggplant, talong, pichay, and sitaw. Now I'm going to sauteed now my sitaw. Here. Kare-kare. Okay. Let it high a little bit stove. And first I need to fry the beans. Okay. Let this simmer for a while. I think I need to put already the banana heart. Because I think the banana heart takes time to cook. So I will mix it together here now. I let it cook for a while. Where is here? Look, my kitchen is a mess. My kitchen is a mess because I'm cleaning here. My kitchen. I open all the door so can we have fresh air inside. And look, all my bottle. I'm still fixing here. I cover the up. We let it simmer for a while to keep it softer. I need to put this here. Okay, it's my candle stand. Kind of dark here though. I don't know why is too dark though. This one I don't need. I think I need one here in my, yes, there. Oh, this one. Oh, that one. Okay. Okay, so this one is I already fixed. This is for Christmas things here. This is for daily Christmas also. And this is my daily use. Okay. Okay, and my fridge from Belgium is already here. Look here. But I didn't open it yet because I don't know where I have to put it. It's taking too much place here, so you see, it's taking too much place. I don't know where I have to put this. I don't know where I have to put this. Because too much taking place here, so I don't know where I have to put that. maybe I will put it here because I have another daily dining table here. Maybe I will put it here on this one. Move it out. I don't know where to put it. Huh. That's my mayang there. Always eating. What did you eat? Cookies. That's my mayang. Okay. I don't know. This is my the other table. Special dinner. Oh, my electric pan is making noise because I don't use the big one. I use the plastic one. I don't know where I have to put that fridge. I need to put now the aubergine. Yes. I just use my hand because there's another vegetables underneath the pichay. Pichay? That's pichay? I don't know. Pichay. I think it's pichay. So. Okay. I have to saturate this. Oh, I let it simmer for a while. It's to hide the fire. Maybe I need to put a little bit water. To simmer it. Okay. This looks like burning somewhere. Okay, I let it simmer again. Okay, the fire is good. Mga ka-wild, ay hinalo ko na yung peanut. Ito, peanut. Tapos, ihalo ko na yung peanut butter at saka shrimp paste, bagoong, lamang, tapos mix, kare-kare mix. Okay, mga ka-wild, hinalo ko na po yung peanut butter. Kanina yung peanut lang yun, ngayon hinalo ko na yung peanut butter. Ito na siya. Okay, here's the peanut I already mixed. And now I'm going to mix this one. The meat, I already put the meat now. Here's the meat. I know it's too much. And then here. Okay, that's all. The meat now. I already put the meat. I mix it good so I can put the kare-kare mix here. That is the kare-kare mix. Put a little bit of water for the kare-kare mix. Then I will saturate it. Okay. Mga ka-wild, dito na yung finished products natin. Kare-kare. Ito na siya. Hindi ako gumamit ng oxtail, gumamit ako ng striped meat. You see, like this. You see, like this. Hindi ako gumamit. Kasi wala akong makita sa palengke na oxtail. Ito na lang ginamit ko. Okay. Okay, little bit simmer and it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.